Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to discover a tiny spice that's packed with incredible health benefits? Well, get ready to spice up your life because today we're diving into the captivating world of cloves. Before we unveil the magical benefits of consuming 2 cloves a day, let's meet our superstar, the humble yet mighty clove. These aromatic flower buds don't just add flavor to your dishes, they're a treasure trove of health goodness. Want to ward off those pesky colds and illnesses? Look no further. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants and essential nutrients that supercharge your immune system, helping you stay healthy and vibrant year-round. Imagine flashing a confident smile without any worries. Cloves have been traditionally used to promote oral health. Their natural antimicrobial properties can help keep your teeth and gums in tip-top shape. Say goodbye to dental woes. Happy tummy, happy you. Digestive discomfort, no more. Cloves have been cherished for their ability to soothe digestive issues. They aid in maintaining a healthy gut, reducing bloating, and supporting smooth digestion. Remember, a happy tummy equals a happy you. Heart's best friend. Your heart deserves all the love, and cloves are here to deliver. These little wonders are believed to promote cardiovascular health by helping to regulate blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart-related concerns. Your ticker will thank you. Scene 6. Energize your life. Feeling low on energy? Let cloves power you up. They have the remarkable ability to revitalize your body, providing a natural energy boost. Wave goodbye to those sluggish days and embrace vitality. Scene 7. The Clove Connoisseur Challenge. Now here comes the fun part. I challenge you to incorporate just 2 cloves a day into your routine and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. It's a small change that can make a huge difference. Conclusion. There you have it, health seekers. Who knew that these tiny cloves could hold such powerful health transformations? From boosting your immune system to promoting oral hygiene, supporting your heart, and energizing your life, cloves are truly nature's gift. So what are you waiting for? Spice up your health journey with 2 cloves a day and watch the magic unfold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Here's to a healthier, happier you.